If you're looking for natural ways to keep your blood vessels clean and healthy, the foods you eat matter more than you think. Over time, fats, cholesterol, and inflammation can narrow blood vessels, making it harder for blood to flow smoothly. The good news is that certain fruits are packed with natural compounds that help cleanse blood vessels, improve circulation, and support heart health. In this video, we'll talk about 8 of the best fruits that help clean blood vessels, the key compounds they contain, and how they work in your body. Let's start with oranges. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, flavonoids like hesperidin, and soluble fiber called pectin. These compounds help reduce inflammation inside blood vessels, lower bad LDL cholesterol, and improve the flexibility of artery walls. Regular intake of oranges supports smoother blood flow and helps prevent plaque buildup. Next is apples. Apples contain pectin, polyphenols, and quercetin. Pectin helps reduce cholesterol absorption in the gut, while quercetin works as a powerful antioxidant that protects blood vessels from oxidative damage. Eating apples regularly can help slow down plaque formation and keep arteries clearer. The third fruit is berries, especially blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Berries are loaded with anthocyanins, resveratrol, and vitamin C. These compounds reduce inflammation, improve nitric oxide production, and help blood vessels relax. This makes it easier for blood to circulate and reduces the risk of artery blockage. Number 4 is pomegranate. Pomegranate contains punicolagens, polyphenols, and nitrates. These compounds are known to reduce arterial plaque, improve blood vessel elasticity, and enhance blood flow. Studies show that pomegranate juice can even help reverse early signs of artery thickening. Next on the list is grapefruit. Grapefruit is rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, and lycopene. These compounds help lower cholesterol levels, reduce oxidative stress, and prevent hardening of the arteries. Grapefruit also supports better blood pressure control, which protects blood vessels over time. The 6th fruit is avocado. Although often thought of as a vegetable, avocado is technically a fruit. It contains healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, phytosterols, and antioxidants like lutein. These nutrients help reduce bad cholesterol, increase good HDL cholesterol, and keep blood vessels smooth and flexible. Number 7 is kiwi. Kiwi is packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, polyphenols, and actinitin. These compounds help reduce blood clot formation, improve cholesterol balance, and protect blood vessels from inflammation. Eating kiwi regularly can significantly support healthy circulation. Finally, we have watermelon. Watermelon contains lycopene, citrulline, and vitamin A. Citrulline helps the body produce nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. Lycopene reduces oxidative stress and helps prevent damage to artery walls. To get the best results, include a variety of these fruits in your daily diet, rather than relying on just one. Fresh, whole fruits are better than processed juices, as they provide fiber that plays a major role in cleaning blood vessels naturally. Remember, fruits work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise, enough water, and reduced intake of processed foods and excess sugar. If you found this video helpful and want more natural health tips like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next upload.